Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the screen recorder settings. We can just launch them by two ways. The first one, you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features, then tap here to the screen recorder, and now here you'll see the sound. Click here. Now we have selected the mic. That means that the microphone is activated, and now when you will just record videos in screen recording app, you can use the microphone and comment something. If you want to change it, you can switch it to the system. So that means that you will use only system sounds here and your microphone will just turn off. Also, you can switch it to the mute and you'll just record the mute videos without the microphone and without the system sounds. So that's it. That's how to change screen recorder sound settings on our TCL device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.